Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to fix the time on your lock screen appearing faded or dim. Okay, so if the time on your lock screen appears faded or dim, I can't show you that because in my case it looks probably fine. Yeah, it looks just okay. But I know how to fix it, so I'm gonna just explain how to fix it. It may be due to the low power mode being enabled on your iPhone. When low power mode is active, then some visual elements, including the lock screen clock, are dimmed to conserve the battery life. And to make the clock brighter on your lock screen, you can try, first of all, disabling the low power mode in settings in battery. So you may actually want to go to battery, then find low power mode. Now I have it enabled and now I have disabled it, and that may fix it. See if it fixes it. If it doesn't, then you may want to go to, for example, the display and brightness settings. Yeah, let's go to display and brightness. Now find the brightness. Make sure that brightness is enabled. Set to a mode that is appropriate for you. Now if this doesn't really help, then hold on a second, I'm just gonna disable that. Yeah, sometimes True Tone may work a little bad for your screen, and it may cause some glitches, but typically it should work just fine. So yeah. Now what else may cause the issue is auto brightness. So if you want to disable the auto brightness, you need to go to the accessibility, then go to display and text size and go to auto brightness, and you may want to just disable it so it doesn't turn the brightness down. Now check if reduce white point setting is enabled. So also in display and text size within the accessibility settings, find reduce white point. You can enable it. You can see it reduces the white point. You can disable it. Now the last thing is a restart on your iPhone. Sometimes a simple restart can resolve minor software glitches that may affect the brightness of your clock or all the other elements on the lock screen. So let's press and hold on the power button and either of the volume buttons at the same time, then slide to power off. After doing that, wait for half a minute and then start pressing and holding on the power button until you see the Apple logo, then release it. If you aren't able to do it that way, then you can press and do like a force restart. A force restart is a special combination of buttons. You need to shortly press on volume up, then shortly on volume down, then start pressing and holding on power button until the screen goes off, while not pressing any of the volume buttons anymore. Now the screen has went off and it's gonna do a force restart, and I think that should help you. If you can still see the issue, then you should try updating your iPhone via settings by going to settings and then going to the general software update and check for available updates, and if there is any, try installing it, and that may resolve your issue. So I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.